Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Caldera token. Ticker symbol is ERA. Now this token just went live today, March 14th, for pre-market trading on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Caldera token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Caldera just went live today for pre-market trading, March 14th at 6 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Caldera pre-tokens, you can get them off Mexc. And if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone and search ERA, E-R-A, the ticker symbol, and then simply just get the pre-tokens. Now, pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. So now is the pre-token, pre-trading time, and then soon enough it'll be the full token listing on Mexc, and you'll be able to get the full tokens. But today is pre-trading. So this service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-trading, Mexc users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. Now, Caldera specializes in building high-performance, customizable, and application-specific Layer 2 blockchains. These custom-built blockchains, the Caldera chains, offer high throughput, low latency, and customizable features for optimizing the performance and user experience of decentralized applications. They can process hundreds of transactions per second and provide sub-second confirmation times. Now, there is a total supply of 1 billion ERA tokens. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project. At Caldera XYZ on Twitter. You can see their webpage is also linked right there. Caldera.xyz. 362,100 Twitter followers. Huge project. Gold verified checkmark. 4,842 tweets. And then their webpage, if you go over there, you can find document section, company section, Metalayer, RAAS, Vulcan, deploy now, book a call. It says powering 75 plus ambitious teams across Web3. One of them being ApeCoin. Everybody knows ApeCoin, Manta Pacific, Injective Labs, Kinto, all sorts of links. There are links there as well. But then they have here, it says the infinite scaling layer, the fastest growing roll-up network. Caldera is a network of lightning fast, high performance Ethereum roll-ups unified by the Metalayer. Now, Metalayer is Caldera's cross-chain interoperability framework enabling fast asset onboarding and cross-chain execution for rollups. Now, Metalayer, Caldera's cutting-edge cross-chain interoperability framework designed to revolutionize how rollups interact with other chains. The Metalayer provides a seamless, secure, and efficient platform for the cross-chain operations. Some of the key features, they have the Intense Engine. At the heart of the Metalayer is the powerful Intense Engine, which allows developers to define high-level intents for cross-chain execution. This engine simplifies complex operations, enabling fast asset onboarding and declarative execution across multiple chains. Also, message passing protocol. Built on Hyperlane, the Metalayer's message passing protocol supports both L1 and one-to-one message passing and many-to-one reads, and this ensures reliable and secure communication between chains, facilitating a wide range of cross-chain applications. Also, security and composability. The Metalayer is designed with robust security protocols and composability in mind, allowing developers to build secure and flexible applications that can easily integrate with existing blockchain ecosystems. Now they have the intent section here. They have a developers section here. They talk about token bridging. So the Metalayer contains end-to-end intense execution engine that enables fast asset onboarding and declarative cross-chain execution for rollups. Now, the Metalayer's intent-based execution is designed to streamline cross-chain interactions by allowing developers to specify high-level intents rather than low-level transactions. And this approach simplifies the process of asset onboarding and cross-chain execution, providing several key benefits like declarative execution, fast asset onboarding, seamless interoperability, security and reliability, and flexibility and scalability. So the Metalayer's intent engine is a powerful tool for developers looking to build sophisticated cross-chain applications, providing the infrastructure needed to execute complex operations with ease and confidence. Now it says here they have over $1 billion in total value locked, over 1 million in transactions, over 1 million unique wallets. And it says here, this is Ethereum's final frontier. Caldera is establishing Ethereum as the new home of the new internet. You can deploy rollups in one click, connect to the Metalayer. We already talked about a lot of Metalayer stuff. It says trusted by the community, backed by a whole bunch of companies. Take the first step, deploy a high-performance rollup with Caldera's RAAS platform in just a few clicks. You can check out their careers section, brand kit, dashboard, document section. Check it all out, caldera.xyz. And you can trade the pre-tokens for the ERA token right now on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.